I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select Webhooks. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload. Application/JSON. Give here a webhook link, so go to the Connects-It dashboard. Create Connects-It. Search and drop webhook. Copy the webhook URL and capture the webhook responses, then paste it on the integration site. Go to your form and fill up with data to capture the webhook. Now go to your integration site and test the webhook. Next, finish and save it. Now go to your Connects-It site. Search and drop MailerLite. Choose an action. Choose an account. Choose a group. Choose status. Connect the both fields. Test and review. Publish the integration. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to your MailerLite dashboard. Navigate to the subscribers. Here you can see that the subscriber added successfully in the MailerLite. Thanks for watching.